Hi everyone, I am Sangram Kakde from Aryan College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Today we are going to see a simple C program which prints Hello World on the output console. So let's begin. For the purpose, I am going to use Windows 10 as an operating system and would take the help of Turbo C++. Turbo C++ is an integrated development environment and compiler for the C program. Now let's open the Turbo C++ in a default startup mode. So once it is open, this is the screen which will appear in front of you. Now to write a program, you need to have a new file. Now you can type your program on this area, and to enlarge the screen you can click on this arrow which extends the screen length. Now first I'll type the entire program and elaborate you the program line by line. Now this is the program. Now let's save this program with .c extension. Now for saving you can use the shortcut as well, which is F2. Now by default it will try to save the file with the C++ extension, that is C++, but you can save it as .c extension as well. It works fine. So now you can see the name of the program has been changed over here. Now to elaborate you, let's see the program one by one. In this example, you will learn to print Hello World on the screen C programming. Now, this include statement is a preprocessor command that tells the compiler to include the content of these two header files, which is standardIO.h and consoleio.h. The standardIO.h, that is stdio.h file, contains functions such as printf and scanf, which takes the input and displays the output. Now here in our case we have used the function which is printf and which is used to print the output on the console. Now we also have used consoleio.h, that is conio.h is mostly used compiler by the compiler to provide console input and output, and it is not the part of the standard library. Basically it is used strictly in the Turbo C++ or Turbo C integrated development environment tool. Now what is the purpose of conio.h? You can see we have used CLR SCR standard library function over here. Now what does it do? It clears the output screen whenever you run the program, and it prints the output on the fresh console. Next function which we have used from the consoleio.h is getCharacter. Now getCharacter, that is getch, it reads the character from the keyboard. Basically what we are doing here, we are using that function to hold on the output screen until we click the button. Now let's compile the program. There is one warning, and which is function should return a value, but it's okay, We are not returning anything right now, but it will work perfectly fine. Now, when you run the program, it will print hello world on the output screen. Most important thing in the program here is, besides the preprocessor directories such as standardIO.h and Konya.h, is main function. The execution of C program always begins with the main function, and when you run the program, the operating system calls this function. Once it is called, the control is transferred to the program, and when the program is finished it executing its main function, again the control is transferred to the operating system. So this was a small example and demo of C program which prints the hello world. Thank you for watching. Thank you.